So basically, I don't know what might be the best way to store some data in the user's device. So basically, I'm gonna just ask it to Claude AI. Okay, so let's make it a bit bigger. What is the best way to store some structured data in the user's device in SwiftUI? So let's see. To store structured data on the user's device in SwiftUI, there are several good options depending on your specific needs. You can use user defaults, but that one is best for small amounts of simple data like key and value pairs. Yeah, so easy to use for basic data types. And so the second option is core data, ideal for larger, more complex, integrates well with SwiftUI. And here is the third option is SwiftData. It's new framework introduced in iOS 17, designed to work seamlessly with SwiftUI. Okay, so I believe if I use this one, my app will not support earlier iOS 17, but I think that's okay. I mean, everyone just please update your software and yeah. Okay, I will use SwiftData here. Okay, so okay, I want to go with SwiftData. How can I store the data with it? Okay. Okay, so basically let's create a simple model and then I'll show you how to store and retrieve data using SwiftData. Okay, so let me check that one. So basically we need to create a new separate Swift file, and we're going to import that SwiftData. We have to use that property wrapper, I believe. And then here we basically define the model, basically define the shape of our data. Okay, let's just start with this one. Let's go step by step. Okay. Okay, so I think let me check. Okay, I will just create a new file here called let's call it translation result. Created. And okay, so basically I need to import SwiftData, and then I will use that model a property. Can I make it bigger? Yeah. Okay. And okay, so we will create a class and I'm gonna call it translation results. And okay, we will define the structure of our model here. So what we're gonna have in this model is we're gonna have a source text. Okay, so it's gonna be like source text, and the data type of it is string, and translation text, it's gonna be string, and maybe I can also store source length. It's gonna be string, and let's make it source language and target language string. Okay, we can also create an initializer here, yeah, we can pass source text. It's gonna be string. Translation text. It's gonna be string again. Source language. Target language. Okay, then we are just assigning that arguments to the variables. Okay, translation text, source language, source language. Okay, I think we're done. Okay, so then it created a query here and environment. In the main abstract, use .model container modifier to set up the Swift data store. Model container right here. Okay. Okay, and use environment property wrapper to access the model context in your view. And yeah, insert add new objects to the store. Yeah, to use this in your app, ensure you're targeting iOS 17 or later. Import Swift data framework, define your model, use query property wrapper to fetch data in your views, use model context to insert, update, or delete data. Can you explain the section? What? I didn't ask this question. Okay. Okay, then maybe I want to have a model called translation result that contains following fields: ID, source language, string, target language, string, source text, string, translation text, string. Okay, let's see how it's gonna create that model. Okay. Okay, so basically it used that property wrapper or macro, I'm not sure, attribute to have a unique ID here. Okay, I think I should copy this one here and I will paste it here. Okay, so let's import foundation to be able to use that one. Yeah, basically it creates the unique ID for us. That's cool. Okay, let's okay, we have our model right now. So what we're gonna do, we will go into our app.swift file, and here, somewhere here, but I think I had also created a collection class like this, But how we stored that? I also implemented it using Cloud AI, and I don't remember how we implemented that one. In here, add collection view here. So collection store. Okay. We have observed object collection store shared. Okay, so let me come back here. I see. It's actually okay. I didn't pay attention the implementation of this one. I just asked Cloud AI to implement it for me, and yeah, it basically stores the data in user defaults. Okay, so I don't want to use user defaults for this one. This time I want to learn how to use Swift data model. Okay, so basically I will just use that modifier to create the model container. Okay, I will go to this file, and we have window group here, and model container, and translation result and self. So why we couldn't do it? Okay, so this is the window group here, model container. Okay, so then we just missed some point here. Let's go back and open this one. SwiftUI, SwiftData. Okay, maybe we should also import that SwiftData here to have that modifier. Yep, that's great. Okay, so now we have model container, and let's go to the translator view. Okay, and let's make it a bit bigger. So right here we have a function to translate the source text to the target language, and right after we have the translated text. Okay, at the beginning of this view we need to use this to access to the our model. Okay, I will add it right here. So model context dot model context. Okay, I think but what if we have different models? Okay, let's ask it. What if we have multiple models to access? Okay, let's see. Great question. Yeah, when you have multiple models in your SwiftData app, you need to include all of them in your model container. Here is how you can set up your app to work with multiple SwiftData model. Okay, let me check here. Okay, basically it added that multiple models as an array here. Okay, and it has only this line, and added multiple lines for each model. Okay, I see. I think based on the model, it just insert that Okay, then it's enough to use this one to be able to insert, delete, and update a value. Okay, then what I'm gonna do, I will just come back to my Xcode here, or Xcode, and right here, okay, we added environment right here. We have to create this model and we have to insert it. Okay, so the source language is, it should be like source language, target language, source text is input text, and we have translated text here. Okay, and yeah, I think that's gonna work. Let me just format the document. Maybe we can ask Cloud AI how we can get the ID of this. I mean, yeah, probably after initializing that one, we are able to access that ID here. Yeah, okay, no need to ask it. Okay, then what we're gonna do is we need to create a new screen. Okay, let me create a new file here. Okay, create a new file, SwiftUI view. It's gonna be, I'm gonna call it translation result view. Okay, let's create it. And okay, what I want to do is I want to redirect user to the screen by passing the translation results model. Yeah, right here. Basically, I want to redirect user to translation results view by passing a new translation. Okay, so maybe I can copy that one and let's go here. I want to redirect user to a new screen by passing the passing an instance of translation results. How to do that? Let's paste it here and let's see. Okay. And then we will be able to access that data here. Okay. So we're gonna pass translation results instance to that view. Okay, and okay, we have to add this 2 lines to our translator view. Okay, let's add it right here and let's format the document again. Okay, and next thing we need to do, into this VStack. Okay, yeah. I think there's another way to redirect user to that screen. I think I applied it somewhere. Maybe content view. Okay, then maybe main tab view. I mean, sorry, maybe it's inside the collections view. Okay, right here. Okay, let me just come. Well, let's copy this warning and yeah, basically we have to use this modifier. Okay. But I remember that I already used that somewhere here. Okay, so okay, probably we will paste it right here and navigate to results. Okay, we have to find navigate to results and we will pass the current translation and yeah, we'll pass it as translation. Okay, and okay, and okay, after this configuration, I think I should just set the current translation as new translation, and also navigate the results should be true, and that's gonna just trigger to redirection to the new screen. Okay, and also let's try to see result in here. Okay, translation text. Okay, so let's save it. I think it's not optional, it should be there. Okay, then let's rerun the app. Yeah, it's really challenging to build a mobile app with SwiftUI without knowing anything. I mean, I'm an full stack I'm a full stack developer with, almost 11 years old, 11 years of experiences, and yeah, everything is so easy for me to build on web, but right now I'm just feeling like I'm feeling like I'm feeling like the same way when I started learning web development back in the day. Yeah. Okay, let's go to the translation screen, but we got a fatal error. Okay, that's cool. Okay, how we can fix this problem? But I think we have to we are just setting this here, and basically it should be there. Okay, maybe I can make it optional again, and let's just check if we have it here. If it's not new, and then we'll show this text. Okay, let's make it like this. Okay, I'm almost trying to everything to make it work. I'm like pressing all the keys to complete this part of the game. Okay, yeah, I'm able to see that translator screen here. Okay, I'm gonna type hello in Turkish, and let's press submit button, and nothing happened. Okay, let's go back, translator view, and okay, where is the function? Okay, here is the function. Oh, I think we have to do that inside this block. Okay, let me just remove here, and let's paste it here, and okay, maybe I can print like translated text, and okay, let's rerun it. Hopefully it's gonna work this time. Yeah, we have the translated text here, but somehow I think we couldn't navigate the user. Okay, what might be the reason of that? We have navigator results here, and it should navigate us to that screen. Let's make it true by default to see if it's gonna show the translation results or not. Navigation destination modifier only works inside a navigation stack, or okay, so I think I should use navigation view. Maybe, okay, let's try to add navigation view here. I'm not sure, I'm just trying to fix that problem without knowing anything. Okay, probably you're freaking out, but yeah, I'm trying to understand. Okay, maybe I should ask that to Claude AI. Correct, and thank you for your navigation stack correctly and implement the navigation. So should we change that to navigation stack? Okay. I have no idea what I'm doing here. Oh, it worked, great. Okay, so then let me make it false again and restart it. I feel like it's gonna work this time. Okay, right here I'm gonna type hello in Turkish. I'll click that. Yes, it works. Okay, upon pressing that, it's gonna redirect me to back, and you don't see the submit button here since we don't focus on this text editor that I implemented it also today. I'm so proud of it. Okay, upon pressing that, it's gonna redirect us here. That's cool. Okay, I think it was great to learn how to store data in the user's device using the SwiftData in this video. And yeah, hopefully you also enjoyed while watching it. Don't forget, hit the like button and subscribe to the channel to support me. And yeah, I will continue with this video series. While building that application, you will watch me, and you will watch me while building this application and learning SwiftUI by getting help from AI, of course. Yeah. Okay, see you on the next video. Bye.